Hi everyone, I want to show you how I create my schedule for the week. It's really simple. Here's an example from this week that we're in right now. I line up the days. The date of the week starts for me on a Monday, and I write everything that I have to do. When I don't do something, I just either move it. There's two places I might move it to. For instance, today is Saturday, that's where I am. And I have already recorded my accessibility tutorial show. I'm also right now in the middle of recording my scheduling show, and I have a paper that I'm gonna work on. I have to do a proposal, I have to do some stuff for my book, and I have to do some plans. So I'm actually gonna move one of these things around, and it's going to actually be the paper. Sorry, but it's not due yet, so I can actually give myself some space to only work on it on Sunday. And look, I already have it here for 6 to 8 p.m. But being that I know that I didn't work on it today, I'm just gonna make that my all day thing. And I do this for my Sundays because I like to do my thing on Sundays. So I put times in so I can stick to that on Sundays. So I'm gonna make it 10 a.m. that I'm gonna work on my paper. I'm not gonna give myself a time to stop. I know I'm gonna start early, and I have to do some other work for Idaho State University. So for that, I'm gonna give myself that to start around, let's do that at night. That'll be my night assignment, 4 p.m. So that's my day tomorrow. Anything in between that I can fit, I'll try. But more than likely when I start my paper, I'm gonna just be into that. So that's how you can move things around. And then next week, you saw that I already know that I need to do that paper. So I'm gonna paste that there. I also know I have some errands to do, and so that's that. Now, let me set up for next week. So to set up for the next week, I usually do this on Sundays or Monday morning. Either one works. It's up to you how you wanna do this, but I'll copy the whole thing. Done. And then I'll make a new note, paste it, paste it. There it is. And that's it. And then now I'm gonna change this date. So this Monday will be the 18th. And I know that I have to teach my students, so I'm gonna just delete that. I know my husband and I are always gonna meet. I don't have to do this. I did that last week. So I'll take that out. But what do I know I have to do? I know I have to do my paper. So I'm gonna pull this from the next week's section, put it up there, because I know that has to get done because that paper is due on Sunday. So that's that. And I have to actually look at my peers' papers. So I'm gonna write peer review here. Okay, and then I have Tuesday. I usually rest on Tuesdays. I'm not gonna change that. I always look at my finances on Tuesdays. I'm gonna keep that in there. I know that I don't do the Grow Guide post anymore. That's my husband's job now, so I can take that off. We don't have to do any of those planning. We already did that. I don't have to do this. We did that. I love that. Like when you get to take things off that you've already done, you can live your best life. So this says grades and plan MSU. I'm actually gonna teach. I know that I have to teach only at MSU, so I can delete that. Okay, and then I've already done my recertification, so I can delete that. I did my financial day Tuesday, so I'm gonna delete that. Thursday, I'm not gonna have to do the biking. I do the biking daily now, so I don't have to check that off. I'm not doing grades on Thursday. So my Thursday's empty. I'm gonna look at things that I have to do next week. And I also have to do just a bit of planning for Morgan, but I like to do that on the same day. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna actually put that here for my Monday. Teach and plan. I had deleted that, but I actually do need that. Plan, assessment. For Friday, I know I have to teach, okay? And then we got Saturday. We will more than likely be recording again. So I will keep that on there. Okay, so that's my week planned out, and then I'm gonna look at next week. I know the following week I definitely will need to grade my students' work. And I know I'll have to work on Idaho. Okay, so that's how you wanna do it. These errands, clean voice notes, trademarks, I'm gonna hold those down there because my week is pretty full. If I have space, I'll add them in there, but right now this is where I am because I know those other things can come a little bit later. So this is how I schedule my week, and as I go through, I will use the green checks, but I didn't do it yet, so I can't use it yet. I hope that this helps everybody to be able to use their iPad notes for scheduling. Have a great day. Have a great week.